Assignment 3, Chapter 2, Creating a Research Paper. So I have my research paper typed up already. My works cited on the 3rd page. So I'm going to go ahead and get my paragraph formatting. Okay, up here, these icons, this is for left justify, this is center justify, and this here is right justify, and this here is custom. So I want to go ahead show how to center this text. First I'll take it over there for the left justify, and there the text is centered. Okay, so now I want to go to my references. I want to make sure I am in MLA format. These are all different references you use on different documents, so MLA format. And now I want to go ahead and go to my layout. So I can verify my margins, 1 inch by 1 inch. There's various ones that are already set up in Word, or you can make custom ones. But we don't want to do that, so we're going to cancel it and let that go for there. So then on indent for the and spacing before and after, this is for your paragraph. Again, you can also pull off your paragraph modifying box here for indentation on the first line only. We'll click this on my first line only, and I want it 0.05. So there, I'm going to go ahead and have that set up. Now my paragraphs are formatted, my margins are correct, and I'm ready to go with my document. Next, I'm going to show my ruler. I already have it up, but you can get it up by going to the View tab and clicking Ruler. It's a helpful tool. It shows where your margins are, top, bottom, side to side, and the top little arrow shows your first line indent. Right here, there's my first line. Yep, 5 spaces there. It's good to go. So now I want to set my page numbers and my last name in my header. So I'm going to go ahead and go up to the Insert tab, go to the header, and pick which header I choose. Actually, you can click the page number, and you can also get your header in that way. You want it at the top of the page. So if I click that, I can go over here to determine what side I want it on, left, center, or right. We want it on the right side for MLA format. So then I'm just going to go ahead and type my name in, and that will go ahead and close the header footer. That's going to go ahead and make the numbers with my last name consecutive on my pages of my document. Okay, so then I need to enter a citation. So up here on the reference tabs, I want to insert a citation. I already have 3 that are already in, so I'll click Manage My Sources, and I'll open up one of these to edit. So we'll go ahead and edit Jacob Lee Jones and click up Edit. And you can see it's pretty self-explanatory. These are the different sources that are available, or that you can use, or you can go from there with the name and title, year, city, publisher, etc., etc. So then that will format your works cited or your bibliography, whichever style you choose to use or are required to use for an assignment. So I want to use find and replace. So I'm going to go back to home. I want to go to find and replace. So I'm going to go ahead and just click replace, and we need to replace the word damage with injury. So I will click replace all. They search, couldn't find any because I'd already done it. So there you go. Let's just go down here real quick. I'll cancel this. I'm going to change this to damage, and then go up here and try it again just to show that it does work. Replace, and there, find damage, replace it with injury. We need to replace it. Okay, and there it changed it. So I can close that box up, and there it's changed and it's done. Spell checker. I'll go back to my review tab, can check my document and make sure I've spelled everything correctly. Oh, there's something that's not right. It should be like that. So we can go ahead and change it to the way it needs to be. Also, to get to spell check, you can click File, go down to your options in Word, and go down to proofing, and then that pulls up all the different things that you can choose from when utilizing your spell checker. Anyways, I think it was a real good assignment. It taught me quite a bit. I think my favorite tool is the ruler, and I will be utilizing that as I go forward. Thank you.